All right, I'm gonna get on here real quick and do a little bit of teaching. So I'm gonna go over what I deem as the one of the biggest, most important uh, tenets, as you will, about the strat. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the strat is beneficial in way more ways than one. So let's just take this chart for example. This is a chart of oats. Just playing around in my Lucid account in Trade C. I really like this platform, by the way. It is rhythmic based, but this is just an example of the strat and how it can be beneficial to you. So right here you had oats on the daily chart. Now, I have never traded oats for transparency, but you don't really have to, because I'm going to show you why. Here's your broadening formation on oats. Okay? Top of your broadening formation. We'll go on down here. We'll get your bottom. We'll just use this anchor point here. Good enough. All right, there's your daily chart on oats. So we hit a TTO, triangle they out, down we go, right? All right. Now, let's look at ZC, I think is corn. Yep, ZC is corn. I should probably start trading some more commodities because I don't know, they're just easy to identify with for me because I mean, I've seen cornfields all my life. All right, so we got corn, same thing, created a broadening formation on the daily, triangle layout, come back through this broadening formation. We have a big volume imbalance here. We were in the smother bar range, but we broke out of it to the upside, and then triangle they out, back down they go, and in through the broadening formation. So there's corn. All right, let's look at LE is cattle. Again, something I can identify with. I see cows every single day. But here's your broadening formation there. We'll use that as the anchor. Could use this bottom one here. But if you want to do the smaller broadening formation, you could do this here. So there's broadening formation there on cattle. Let's look at see LH, I think is hogs. Maybe not. Maybe it's LE is cattle, which HE is hogs. All right. Had a huge gap up here on looks like the 9th of February. Big gap up. Now we're coming back through. Created that broadening formation there. So we're in the middle of this broadening formation here on hogs. Probably go 2 down, but maybe, I mean, today on hogs was inside day. Let's see. Let's look at let's look at heating oil. All right. Huge TTO. Now we're inside this big mother bar range here until they get out of that. So we had an inside day there on heating oil. My point to you is this. The strat is the strat. Once you learn the strat, you can identify it, you can trade it, and you can identify it on any chart. You just saw me go over things that probably most people don't trade, right? So the strat works on any time frame, any ticker, any chart you want to throw at it, right? So that to me is a huge benefit of the strat. I can take a look at any chart and tell you what the strat says about that chart, and I can analyze that chart based upon the strat patterns. Let's look at I saw one the other day, HOG. That's not what I wanted. Or yeah, heating oil. Let's look at wheat. Let's look at orange juice. They don't have it on here. Okay, well, let's look at the British pound. I've never traded the British pound in my life, probably won't. But again, can analyze a chart based on the strat. Oh, top of your broadening formation. You might could use this one as your bottom. This is a daily chart, so I don't know if the British pound is open or not. If it is, I can't quite tell. But there is that. Let's look at 6E. I think 6E is a euro. It is. Okay. So there you go. I had a buy limit there on the daily on euro. Have to give this chart time to catch back up here. I was just gonna play for if it came down through and hit this fair value gap here, then hit 2 up on the day. So I'm dripping an order out there. We'll see if it gets touched or not. It may not. Let's look at let's see if BTC's on here. Yeah, Bitcoin. We have 2 up on the day here on Bitcoin inside this big mother bar range. You get the idea. So I talk about these scenarios all the time on my live streams, and this is a video, and you can see that again. The strat will hold up on any time frame, any ticker you want to throw at it. So I just wanted to hop on and kind of go over that, and you know encourage you to learn the strat. So, all right, hope everyone has a fantastic night. I'm going to hop off here. I just wanted to get on and go over some charts that you may or may not trade, but the point of it was to show you that the strat can be traded on anything. So, all right, hope you have a great night. Thank